Happy holidays to all the homies out there who are supporting me. Let's get on with this giveaway for V-Bucks, gift cards, and more coming at you. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell from the title, this is going to be my second giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be hosted by me, but I'm going to be partnering up with LimSanity. So as you guys can tell, I am doing two giveaways with him. He's hosting the other one and I'm hosting this one. So this is going to be really awesome for you guys to get two opportunities to win. And obviously there's two winners on each giveaway, so basically 4 opportunities in total for you guys to win some awesome cool stuff. So of course this giveaway is going to be based off Gleamio. And if you guys don't know what Gleamio is, basically a website which takes you to fill out some certain challenges and cool stuff like that. And basically once you finish the challenges, you get an entry and you're in for the giveaway. It's super simple and much more organized than before. And that's going to be absolutely free. You guys don't need to pay anything for entry or any of that weird stuff. Basically free for all loyal subscribers and loyal followers, of course. So updates for the other giveaway I'm doing with LimSanity. Basically the winner is going to be announced on January 1st, as well as this one. This giveaway is going to be announced on January 1st as well. All the results will be called out on Twitter and YouTube, so you guys can choose either or. You guys will see it. We will email them, of course, or at them on Twitter. That's why we asked for you guys at on the last giveaway. And for this one, it's going to be a little more organized, of course, because it's going to be Gleamio. Now Gleamio is basically, they ask for your email and your name. You just do the little challenges, which is subscribe to the channel or follow us on Twitter, something simple like that, and it basically gives you an entry. Now what I'm going to be doing is drawing out 2 winners. Now the first winner is going to receive 500 V-Bucks, of course, and the second winner is going to receive any $10 gift card of their choosing. And this giveaway is only for US. Sorry, no Canadians, not to be xenophobic or anything. There's an issue with the V-Bucks. They don't allow you to redeem them if you're from Canada or any other country besides US, so that's the only issue, so sorry about that. So this giveaway is only for the US, so again, I apologize for that. So happy holidays to all of you. Good luck to the winners. Again, this giveaway is going to be ending on January 1st, as well as the other giveaway I'm doing is January 1st too. All the details are in the description, and of course the Gleamio link is in the description as well as the comment section below, just in case you guys forget that. Gotta share it, give everyone a chance to win, of course. Stay tuned for more, guys. Have a great, awesome winter vacation, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.